my students, my children, we are looking at lesson number 3, problem numero uno. And it looks like we're looking at circular objects like half dollars, flying disc, and jar lids, and a pot of flowers, or a flower pot. And these are all circular things, which have the characteristics of a circle, like its diameter part and its circumference part. And we learned on Wednesday that there is a relationship between these two things, and that relationship is the magical number and the wonderful number that is pi. So 3.14 is what we should be able to multiply the left side by to get the right side. Now, it says that Diego is measuring these, so we kind of could expect some inaccuracies. But if it's way off, then we're kind of expecting that to be the issue. There's going to be one of them that just really doesn't fit our mold here. But 3.14 is that magic number. So let's try it out on a couple of these. 3 times 3.14. Okay, that gives us 9.42. Okay, that's fairly close to 10. I don't know. Let's see if the other ones are further off than that. 23 times 3. Okay, well, I can go ahead and tell you that one's not going to be very good. 23 times 3 is going to be like 60-something. Yeah, way off with that one. 72.22. It says one of his measurements is inaccurate. So this one right here, I can understand being off a half of a number, but being off this much, I'm feeling like he's doing a pretty bad job there. I mean, 8 times 3 is 24, so that one's probably pretty good. 15 times 3 is 45, so I feel good about that one. Yeah, this one right here is the mistake. Definitely messed up on that one, because 23 times 3 is 69. Okay, and when we did it by 3.14, it was way too big, and definitely not a 28, right? So there's the mistake. All right, down here it wants us to complete the table using pi, using approximation for pi's. So we're going to use 3.14 because that seems to be our bread and butter. We did this in class on Wednesday. So 35 times pi, that's going to give us our first number here, which is going to be 109.9. All right, if we want to come back from the right side, we divide by pi. So 556 divided by the pi, 3.14, and that gives us 177.1 is what I'm going to do. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, so 177.1. And then 5.2 times pi, so 5.2 times pi, 3.14. That gives me 16.3. And then working backwards, 71.6 divided by pi. So 71.6 divided by pi, 3.14, equals what? 22.8. Alright, so we got our table filled out, y'all. And it says explain or show your reasoning. We're going to show it with a simple. We multiplied by pi coming this way. And when we went backwards, we divided by the pi, because that is the constant to get you back and forth between diameter and circumference. It is awesome, and it is finished for number 2.